How to contact IQ option support. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you need assistance or help with your account, then you can easily contact the IQ option support for platform issues, deposit or withdrawals, or any other questions. First of all, open your IQ options application on your device, and once you are logged into the home page, go to the bottom left corner and look for the support button and click on it. From here, you can go ahead and ask any question that you need help with in the text box. Write down your question in the text box at the bottom and go ahead and send in the message. Then the IQ option support team will reply to you right away so that they can help you solve your issue. If you want to email the support team, then you can also go open up your email service providers and in the to text box type in support@iqoption.com and then enter your queries. Open up any email service provider and then click on the compose button to compose an email. In the to text box type in support@iqoption.com and in the subject write down the subject for your query and then in the description box enter your query that you need help with. After typing it down, click on the send button at the bottom to send in the email to IQ option support team. So that is how you can easily contact IQ option support. You can use the chat option or simply email to support team so that you can get your problem solved. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.